Dog Training 101. One of the most rewarding careers in the animal world is dog training. With a good understanding of the animal's behavior and the ability to read a dog's body language, dog trainers help their clients achieve their goals in a variety of ways. This can include teaching a dog to perform a task, such as securing a frisbee, or encouraging a dog to behave in a certain way, such as not barking at a stranger. However, with the ability to guide a dog's behavior comes the ability to influence a dog's mindset. Canine training is a great way to help your dog become a better friend and companion. With the right training, your dog can learn to enjoy being around people, learn to behave properly around other dogs, and even learn to behave well on a leash. In this course, we will discuss the basics of dog training and provide a few tips for beginning dog owners. We all know how useful dogs are as pets. But did you know that dogs have been used for centuries as working animals, for police and military work, for search and rescue, and for more advanced tasks such as detecting explosives? In this course, you will learn about the important history and science of dog training, and how we can train our dogs to do cool things like stay, come when called, and even detect scents. We will also learn how we can train our dogs to be service animals, assistance animals, and therapy animals. One of the biggest challenges in training a dog is finding the right method to employ. The methods that work best will vary depending on the individual dog, the task at hand, and the personality of the trainer. This is why it's important to learn as much as you can about dog behavior and training methods before you get started. This will enable you to find the method that works best for you and your dog and to customize it to suit your particular situation and needs.